Welcome back to another video, guys, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Tesla Trends. We got a great video for you today, but before we get into it, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's take a look at the chart. So, good news is that this is a 10-day, 10-minute chart, by the way. We went from testing the bottom support here down at 669 to testing our next top support here at 695. We did get rejected off of that. We ended up actually falling below the bottom growth trend channel line here again. But you never know how long these moves are going to take, and we've already seen, big move. We went from 620 up to 695, 75, 80 points. It's a big move last week, so a couple days of consolidation is not unreasonable. Really, all we want to see is that we're testing these top lines instead of the bottom line. So that's great to see. It would have been nice to see a little bit more, especially since the S&P is still in that all-time high range. I mean, right here, I think this was the new all-time high after hours, or I guess Sunday night trading. But we're pushing it into the close today. The S&P was fairly flat today, but still fairly flat around all-time highs. And the NASDAQ was just unstoppable, shooting straight up off the open and looking for more throughout most of the rest of the day. A little bit of a pullback midday and then going for even more. These are all-time highs up here above this 351.45 mark. So very, very strong on the NASDAQ. One thing I will say, and I'll just go back to the Tesla chart and point out one other thing, because this growth trend line, which I think is the most important one, I drew that on this 5-year chart. So for me, you got to come in here and look and see, all right, we are still below it on this chart, and it kind of really just coincides with this resistance at 695. So it's almost like a double resistance right there to get above 695, which again is a big line in the sand just for the stock price, but even more so since it's going to get us back into this growth channel. So very strong resistance, so don't be impatient. It could take a couple more days, especially, and I don't like to mention things like this. That's pretty much it for the chart. We'll go back to the face. But I saw it over the weekend, and it just seems like a lot. But there was a report that 300,000 Model Y and Model 3 vehicles that were all made in China are going to be recalled, which is a lot. I mean, that's more than half of the vehicles that Tesla produced last year are going to be recalled. It doesn't seem to have had a huge effect on the stock price today. Obviously, a little choppy pre-market and then just shooting straight up, riding the NASDAQ. So, it's obviously not good news, but hey, if it's not slowing the stock price down, we can't worry about it too much. I think as long as the indexes stay strong, everything's looking good. We're heading in the right direction. We're testing our resistances on the top side as opposed to the supports on the bottom side. So looking good for this week. Hopefully we can get some continuation and get the breakthrough, because I do think when we can break above the 695 and confirm that we could see another big jump, 70, 80, 100 points, something big like that. But we'll just have to wait and see. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, please, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. I make new videos every day, so subscribe and you'll know when the next one comes out. Please comment below. Let me know what you guys think about the action today and Tesla stock in general. What do you guys think about this whole major recall on these China-produced Tesla vehicles? It's 300,000. Sounds like a lot. What do you guys think about that? And thanks, as always, for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.